just wanna hold ya. I'm liking how you move, girl. I'm stepping into your world. I wanna feel your body. We so down from this party. You whispered that you're lonely. I told you, baby, I can be your one and only. Now I
back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing my makeup because I was just feeling like crap and I just wanted to do my makeup real quick just because I haven't did my makeup in a while, and this is like my full coverage makeup, so I hope you guys like it. I'll also show you guys how I did my fluffy edges on this wig. This is my Chop It Touches hair, so if y'all ever see a company promoting this specific wig looking real nice, they lying. This is the look, and let's get right into this video. I'm not gonna be doing eyeshadow or anything, and my forehead was breaking out because of like hormones. I wanted to show you guys my new makeup bag. This is gonna be part of the haul that I'm gonna do, so make sure you check out the haul so you can get the link for this bag. It's literally the best thing ever. These really cool compartments, so I'm really excited about this bag. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup. I'm gonna link all the makeup and the stuff that I'm using in my description box. Also, make sure you visit my website to buy my head wrap. My head wrap and my bonnet are on the website. The links provided below so you guys can support my website. I do have my hair growth oil on there because y'all, I wear wigs so much and I don't need my edges to be disappearing, so I have my hair growth oil to help you grow your edges and also to just maintain your edges, okay? And my butter to seal your hair. All that will be linked down below. So starting off on my freshly cleaned base, I did wash my face and did my skincare routine. I'm gonna have an updated skincare routine coming really soon, but all I'm gonna do is start off by trimming my brows a little bit just because I leave my brows to grow out. I just like my brows being big, okay? So I just leave my natural brows to grow out so I don't have to draw it in and stuff with any products. I'm going to use some edge control. I see an Aaliyah J do this, so I'm going to try this out, and I actually really like it, so I recommend. I'm going to slick my eyebrows up just because I don't have any brow gel, so I feel like this worked perfectly. Now I'm going to go in with my Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I'm going to put this all over my face, and this is going to give my skin a grip base, so the makeup will stick to the base. Then I'm going to go in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. And I'm going to use this to clean my brows up. This is the only product that I use on my brows, and I like my eyebrows looking big, so I'm going to try to keep that big shape. And all the brushes that I'm using are from BH Cosmetics and Real Technique. Now I'm going to go in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Orange Corrector. I'm going to put this everywhere that I have dark marks and dark circles. I got these two e.l.f. sponges. These I highly recommend. They're only $5, so get your hands on these. I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Hello Halo Highlight in the color Go With The Glow. I'm going to put this everywhere that I would put highlight just to give me that nice skin-like glow. I'm going to buff this into the skin so it can melt. Now I'm going to go with my NARS Radiant Foundation in the color Marquise. And I'm going to put this all over my face. Make sure you shake it very well so it's not like clumpy. And I don't really use foundation, that's why it came out clumpy at first. But shake it really well. And I'm going to use the sponge to blend this today because I want it to have more of like a skin-like smooth finish. Erickaj concealer in the color Fawn. I'm going to put this everywhere that I want to be highlighted.
Lot of shit that's on your mind lately, yeah. Talk to me, you know you my baby, yeah. My baby. I know. Been a long time coming, I know. Yeah, you got goals. Look at you now, baby girl, I see the growth, yeah, yeah.
Tarte Shape Tape in the color Tan Sand. I've had this for years. It's literally dried up. But I'm gonna finish it.
She don't like to waste no time.
Now I'm going to blend with the smaller sponge.
We don't like to waste no time. Tonight it's all mine. Tonight, it's alright. Got you rolling like alright. Got you going, girl, you so bright. It's gonna be a long night, like all the other ones. It's gonna be a long flight back. When I really should've known that it wasn't gonna last. I was really too into you.
I normally do my makeup like this anyways. If you watch my older videos, you would know this is my routine when I'm doing full coverage. I've been doing this for like 2 years now, so yeah. This is nothing new. But if you're new to the channel, then this is new to you.
She goes like she virtual. She got me bad, she know I'm working on it. She don't like to waste no time.
Some more Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm gonna let this sit under my eyes so it can give it definite full coverage because it's gonna dry down a little bit.
Gas in the split. I know you don't smoke, but baby, just take a hit. You said it yourself, I know you love to get lit.
Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick in the color Earth.
For this money I'm getting. You been down to robbing by my side for a minute. Ain't no other bitch could ever take a position. And everything I do, you know the reason I did it. I red wine in dead time. Leading me and you in a bedtime. All I see is the red lights. I ain't gonna start tonight. I ain't gonna start tonight. All gas, no brakes inside. Know this, you can't hold me back. No way, no way, no way. She don't like to waste no time. No, 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 no. She don't like to waste no. We can't waste no. We can't waste no.
I'm going to blend this out with the Real Techniques buffing brush. And I'm not swiping it, I'm pressing it into the skin upwards. Adding a little bit more of the concealer just to clean up my nose area. Under my eyes. Sacha Buttercup setting powder to set my light areas. I'm going to dab this on my hand just to get rid of the excess powder. And then I'm going to set all the areas that I put my concealer. I am using a dry sponge just because I don't want the powder to stick to my skin. If I use a wet sponge, it might just soak up and stick to my skin, and I don't want that. I want it to lay on top of my skin. Ruby Kisses mineral powder in the color Honey Brown. I'm also going to press this into my skin. I'm not swiping it, I'm stippling it in. And this is going to set the contour. I'm setting my nose and I'm going back in with the Anastasia powder just to clean up the side areas to make sure that the nose contour is very pronounced. So for a micro smooth powder, I'm going to use this to set all the other areas that I did not set, which is the in-between of the highlight and the contour. And this is going to give it a nice put together type look, like it's not going to look harsh. Juvia's Place Magic Mini. I'm going to use these 3 shades to do a blush. I'm patting it in, I'm not swiping it in. And then I went on top of it with my same Sephora Micro Smooth just to make sure that it's not too harsh. Juvia's Place Warrior Palette. I'm going to use that dark shade and I'm going to use this and try to do a smoky liner. I did use this shade right underneath that dark shade, and I put it on the bottom area of my eyes. I'm using the Bad Gal Mascara by Benefit to do my lashes. Tropic Touches lashes. These are just my signature lash. I haven't worn these dramatic lashes in so long. But if you want to purchase these, you can DM me. Because I don't think I have them on the website right now. I just have my Zell lash on the website. I'm just doing my bottom lashes. MAC Chestnut and Fenty Unbutton are the combos for today. So I'm gonna do my hair now. All I put was some heat protectant because I am gonna be flat ironing this hair. I'm just dancing to music. So I wanted to do some curly edges and I wanted to test out my new flat iron. So I'm just taking out the temple area and then I'm going to take out the middle section and then the sideburns. I'm using this razor comb just to cut it so it's not going to be a blunt cut, but to be honest, it doesn't really matter if you do a blunt cut or not. I'm going to be curling underneath and I love this flat iron. It's actually a 1/2 inch flat iron, so I love that because it's giving this curl really good. So here I'm going to be using scissors and you can see it doesn't really matter if you use scissors or you use the comb. And then literally I'm not using any product right here. I'm just twisting it the way that I want it to lay and you want to twist it before it cools down, because when it's still hot you can sculpt it to how you want it to style. I'm going to use some Erickaj Hold Me Down spray, and I'm going to swoop the front area of the edges just to make it have more of a natural look and a little bit more put together but still curly. And this is basically it. Then I just used my Babyliss Nano Pro flat iron in the 1.5 inch, and I just bumped the ends a little bit going inwards. And yeah, so I'm gonna play some music and then I'm gonna talk to you guys at the end of the video. You guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with your friends. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll definitely see you in my next one. Make sure you check out my last video because I really appreciate it when you guys support me. So yeah, thank you guys for supporting me, and I'll definitely see you in my next one. Bye.